Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You're starting at Settings, so open Screen Time and enable it now. This gives you the controls you need. Once Screen Time is on, set a Screen Time passcode that prevents changes later and helps enforce limits. If this is for a child, choose the child profile so parental controls apply. Make sure you have Face ID or your passcode ready for confirmation. Now that prerequisites are done, move straight into App Limits to set the first time caps. You'll tap App Limits and then Add Limit to choose categories or single apps. Picking categories like social or games limits many apps at once. Set hours and minutes, and use customized days if you need different limits for weekdays versus weekends. This ensures realistic daily control. Enable block at end of limit so the phone enforces the cutoff rather than just warning. If you need tighter control, nest limits by creating separate limits. Finish by reviewing all app limits in Screen Time. Tap any limit to edit duration or remove it. You can use downtime for broad device pauses and always allowed to permit essential apps like phone or maps even during limits. If something doesn't work, make sure the Screen Time passcode is correct, that iCloud Screen Time Sync is enabled across devices, and that your iPhone runs the latest iOS. If problems persist, restart the device, then reapply the limit to confirm enforcement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.